It is the combination of our differences that shape our view of the world.
Diversity goes beyond pictures and externalities.
It's super important to have a high level of inclusion in leadership teams.
We all live in a world that provides us with a huge set of ready-made biases about people of different groups. They can run so deep that we might be unaware of them, but they govern our actions nonetheless.
In the industry I come from, which is the creative industry, far more than 50% of young creatives are women. Only 11% of creative directors are female. Around 70% of young creative women, they have never worked under a female creative director.
My mother owns a business, my sister has a startup. I've seen so many female leaders in my career who have inspired their families, but also their co-workers, colleagues, and communities at large. Therefore, I invite companies to follow us to have more females in the leadership position.
For the first time, I didn't get measured by my gender. I get only measured by my success.
The key part to fight this phenomenon is to first identify and acknowledge our own biases. Only then we can start to make better and fairer decisions.
There's so much to learn from each other with diverse cultures, backgrounds, and experiences.
Diversity leads towards different opinions, different views on things. And that's what we strive for.
It reminds me of a famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi. Our ability to reach unity in diversity will be the beauty and the test of our civilization. And this is so true and relevant even in today's context.